Yo, what's up, boys? Soran Trades back again. I'm gonna be doing a trade recap today, so a little bit different, but it's still new. I mean, it's still the same shit. I'm gonna be doing a trade recap of my trade, but I'm not only gonna be telling you guys, yeah, I took this inverse. I'm actually gonna go on FX replay. Not either. I'm gonna replay the day so that you guys can actually see my thought process, what it looked like going into the trade, etc. And then I'm also gonna show you guys my journal entry. I'm done trading for the year, so I'm just going to show you guys the trades that I've taken in the last 2 trading weeks to make up for the next 2. And then, yeah, from next year on, I'm going to be doing these about the trades that I take every single day that I take them. And without further ado, let's get into it. Bang. So here, no trades Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday was our first trade last week. This was Thursday, the 11th of December. First day on my XFA. I made $330 on this trade. It was the first presented 5-minute fair value gap plus a 5-minute IF3G out. Here's what the trade looked like. And here's obviously the journal entry of my mental and the fact that it was a winning day. Now we're gonna get over to here. Fix replay. And journal is John. No man, not miss it, okay. Remove drawings. Okay, so first things first, before open, we are very bullish. High time frame is bullish. We had all-time highs, so I'm definitely not going to get faded in any shorts. And this is a very nice drawn liquidity here. We've got these equal highs at all-time highs. On top of that, we're delivering out of a 4-hour here, so ultimately we are cock bullish. What do I want to see happen? Ideally, either I'd want to see a retrace into London lows. What the fuck? Either I'd want to see a retrace into London lows, allowing us to then expand and then push higher, you know? Or I'd want to see a retrace into one of these hourly gaps here. Ideally one with an intermediate term low inside of it. So, going back onto the 1 minute. Obviously we had this low here, which we had London low, and we had this low here, which we could have traded into. And then on open, I believe we just ripped straight up. We didn't correct. So in this situation, there's only 2 things that I'm actually going to be looking to do. I'm either going to be waiting for this first presented 5-minute to get inverse. Let's just wait for it to get made. Either I'm going to be waiting for this first presented 5-minute here. I'm going to wait for this here to get fully flipped until I'm even remotely seeing that we're bearish, right? Like until I'm going to decide that we're bearish and that we're going to now try and displace down to these draws down here, etc. And then I'll maybe take shorts. But seeing as it's all-time highs, I'm probably not going to even look at that trade anymore. But the way I would like to play this would be a continuation model out of this first presented 5 and higher. Because we are bullish, we just need some sort of internal structure to be filled to go back up. So what am I going to wait for? Going to wait for price to tap into either the second 5-minute gap here, but obviously on this leg we just continued, we flushed all the way down. So now I'm just going to see here, okay, bang, tap. This is our trading leg. I can see we've taken pretty much EQ of the 5, and now we're looking to displace higher again. What's the biggest highest time frame inversion we had here? It was this. So I'm gonna wait until this gets inverse. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bang. We get in here. I'm pretty sure when I was trading on Project X, this was the 5-minute candle that inversed, but this fill I'm sure would have worked just fine. Targeted this high here. My actual trade, I got filled down here, which allowed me to target that high. But I'm just gonna enter here with a bit of a tighter stop, I guess. And I don't know if that initial trade allowed me to go BE, so I would have actually been in here. But I'm just gonna enter here, fuck it. I just TP at that high though. And pretty quickly, schmack. And that was the trade that I took. I went BE here. I would have actually gotten slammed out, but this was my break even here, and this was my TP, this high here. And at this, if I had gotten filled on this candle, this would have actually BE rated me here. This move down would have rated me as BE. But on Project X, this was the inversing candle, so I got filled right there, which gave me a lot of space to knock out BE on. But yeah, that was the trade that I took. Secured me $330 or $310, I can't remember. Pretty sure we kept flushing higher the whole day, but it doesn't really matter after I got my piece of the pie. That was the trade that I took, and yeah, stay tuned for the next episodes of the trade coming the Friday after that, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thanks for popping in, and much love.